morning, YouTube. We are here at River Forks Campground in Gainesville, Georgia, and we got a problem. Check it out. Not good. Ugly. Here's the problem. This inlet is leaking all down the side. All that water. So we got to replace this today. So I think I'm going to go get the parts we need and we're going to fix it. Because that's what we do. We see a problem, we fix it. Like that top in the last video you saw, we were redoing the top of Bessie. Well, we got it done. Put back together. Sealed up. Nice and tight. No more water damage. Let me show you around a little bit before we go. Say hello.
Hey,
So now we've got okay, we finally got it off now. We had to really put some effort in it, but we got it off. And here's the problem. This thing is prehistoric. Pre-dinosaur age. Pretty sure. Anyway, we're going to go and get this and replace it and get it back on and hopefully no leaks. We'll give it a shot. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Are you coming or not? Somebody help us. I gotta get her out of here. We're in Camping World. We're gonna go broke. Help. Get us out.
I'm not gonna go broke. I really want the sheets.
Okay, I think we found what we need here. So now we gotta get it put back on. But we got a couple other things to do, so. Uh-oh, just found more stuff.
Counter space.
I know, baby, but we came for this.
I know, but this improves counter space.
Well, but we came for this, and we've got it.
But this improves counter space.
Oh boy, help me.
It's gooey. I don't know what's all over it. There's something.
But we didn't come for that.
But I want it.
But you want it. But we didn't. We came for the thing we've already got.
But I want it.
But you want that instead? Or
No, I want both of them.
you want both of them? Baby, we didn't come for that.
But I want it.
But look at that.
But if you get the club thing, then it's set. And it's worth it. It's cheaper than furniture in a house.
Well, yeah, that's true, but we got what we came for over there.
But I want this.
But you want...
Debbie has one.
Debbie has one. Well, Debbie has a lot of things, but we're not there yet.
But I want it.
You want it?
I want it. It's my birthday weekend.
Oh, you got me there. Oh, Lord, help me.
No.
What's wrong with you?
Mean.
Me? Why am I
You won't let me
mean?
have nothing.
I'll let you have nothing. You look, I got the thing we needed.
That's not what I wanted, though. I want that stuff.
But
And you're being mean and you won't let me have it.
well, next time when we come next time, I'll buy
That's
you.
what you said last time.
Oh boy. What'd you say?
Guess what I'm buying me for your birthday?
What?
That.
Oh, that's what you're buying you for my
And
birthday?
everything in there that I said I want. You ain't getting nothing.
Well, she's pouting. You see the pouty lip. Got the new one. It's dark now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing done so we can have showers. So if anybody's ever dealt with this plumbing tape, or thread tape is actually what it's called, it can be a real pain. But I was able to get it on there anyway. Now this hose keeps wanting to slide back up in that hole, and if we lose that, man, we might never get it back out of there. So I'm going to put the vice grips on here and just at least to hold the hose out to keep it from going back inside somewhere. This part's not much fun trying to thread this thing on. It's just hard to get started, especially with that thread tape on it.
It's the hose.
What?
The hose. It's coming out of there a little bit. But it's the hose that's leaking right there.
Okay guys, well, as you can see, we got a bad hose. So now we gotta fix the hose up, and we're gonna do that tomorrow. It's got too dark out there to be messing with it tonight. So we're gonna get up in the morning and go get a hose and get it all wrapped up, and I'll video that for you tomorrow. And I'm gonna have a few extras in there tomorrow too, like Jack and Peanut and Tyne. We're all gonna be hanging out at the lake, and I'll show you some more tomorrow. But anyway, for tonight, that's all we got, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff.